Okay, didn't expect to start this fast. Okay. Well, he got cut off. That's amazing. So I'm going to be singing Alejandro by Lady Gaga if my YouTube will actually decide to work. So my computer becomes really stupid at times. Okay. Gonna work? Okay, maybe I'll come back later because it's not working.